Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you can receive all the updates from my channel. Let's move straight to the video. The shapes, We're going to talk about the shapes. Inserting a shape, you just have to press where you want that shape to be. Maybe I want the shape here. You go to insert, you go to shapes, then you select which shape do you want. I might want this shape of a star. After pressing it, the cursor will change to a plus sign, then you will adjust. You will adjust where you want it to go. After adjusting it, the format menu will come, and here is where you change that text, the text field, changing the color of the shape field, changing the outline. Maybe I want that outline to be blue. Are you seeing this outline is the border? I might want to rotate, to change the styling, anything. I might want a shadow. Are you seeing a shadow here? I might want to enter text in this shape. You just have to press it, then you right click, then you add the text, then you write that text you want inside. Formatting that text, you select that text, then you change the text here, all the colors you want. You might want even to change the rotation, the transformation. Are you seeing? Here's where you change the transformations from, the transformations of any text. Even if I'm on the other, maybe I want to change this. So that's it with shapes. You just have to press it, you go to format, then you change anything you want here. Anything, even you can wrap. You can even wrap it, maybe behind text, maybe in front of the text. About the text here, you can even change their direction. You just have to select under format, then you change the direction here. You select which direction you want. Are you seeing the direction changing? So if I want this to be wrapped behind text, you just have to press it. You first select it, you go to format, then you wrap it. Alternatively, you can right click on the same image, then you go to wrap text, then you select maybe behind text, maybe in front of the text, any shape. This is the same method. You select it, so it can be inserted anywhere you want it. You can even change the opacity, the transparency. You can change it to be transparent. You select it, you go to fill, then you move to, are you seeing? No color, no fill, means you don't want a color in that image. The texture, if you want it as texture, anything, you can change anything here. So maybe that's it with shapes. So another thing here, we are going to talk about also inserting charts. So if I want to insert a chart inside this document, so let's start with inserting a new page. Inserting a new page, just have to press under your document. I want my document stops here, so I want to insert another page. I come and press there, you go to insert, then you go to blank page, then it will create a blank page here. So I want to insert a chart. So if you told to insert a chart in Microsoft Word, just come and where you want that chart to go, click there, then you go to insert, then you move to chart here. After pressing on chart, it will open for you which kind of chart do you want. I want a pie chart. You come, you press on pie chart, then you press OK, and it will open for you the default chart. Then you can change this chart data under here in this Excel sheet here. So let me text here other names and the data. I want to change the data. Are you seeing as I'm writing, the text is changing here? It is changing. What I write here is what changes here. Are you seeing? It has changed. So you can change even the formats. You can add the elements. Adding the elements, you just have to come here under add elements. You press that what you add. You can add the title, you can add the data labels, you can add anything as usual. You can add the legend. I think the legend is that at the left, it is here. So you can change even the colors. You just have to press here, you change the colors you want. Are you seeing? Let me stay with this. You can even change the stylings. They are always here. I want this style here. Are you seeing? You can even change the type of pie chart you want. Are you seeing? You can change to this pie chart here. When I press OK, the pie chart will be changed. So another thing, we are going to insert the header and footer. So inserting the header and footer, alternatively, you can double click up here. You just have to double click and you insert the header you want. If not that, you just have to go to insert, then you move to header, then you select which formatting you want, then you go to I want it blank. So you type here what you want on your header. If you want to edit even the footer, you just have to press go to footer, then at the footer you insert there what you want to insert there. So going back to our work, moving from the header and footer, you just have to double click inside the work, then you go back to your work. Another thing, we are going to save our document. So you just have to go to file, then you go to save as, then you browse the location where you want to save that file. I want it at the desktop. I will press desktop, then I give it a name, micro. I want it in our folder we created, this one. Then select it, then save. Then after saving, so what if you want to print that document? Maybe you have a printer and it is connected to your computer. Just have to go to file again and you go to print. After you press print, it will open up how your document will look like. I think it will look like this. So if you have a colored printer, it will look like this. If not, it will be colored. It will not be colored, it will be black and white. So here's where you select the copies you want. Maybe you want 1 page per sheet, anything. The commands are here. After that you press print. Here's where I select which printer. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you can receive all the updates from this channel. If you have any challenge about the topic I've been talking about, let me know in the comment section. Scroll down and comment about the topic. If you have received any challenge, I can help. I will have to reply to your comment. Thank you.